Jam your opponent's arm up, stepping forward with Bong Sao. Lop Sao side palm to attack. Defend the spinning back fist, Pak Sao Gan Sao. Lap Sao Punch to the back of the head. Pak Sao, palm strike the side of the face.
Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's video comes from our Wing Chun fighting technique section. It's attacking with Bong Sao. But before we get there, I need you to go over to the boxes, click like and subscribe, and click the bell to always be kept up with our latest videos. Thanks again, and have a great day. Step forward with Bong Sao. Lop Sao side palm. Pak Sao Gan Sao. Lop Sao Punch. Pak Sao Punch to finish. Step forward with Bong Sao. Lop Sao side palm. Pak Sao Gan Sao. Lap Sao Punch. Pak Sao Punch to finish. Jam your opponent's arm up, stepping forward with Bong Sao. Lop Sao side palm to attack. Defend the spinning back fist, Pak Sao Gan Sao. Lap Sao Punch to the back of the head. Pak Sao, palm strike the side of the face. Jam your opponent's arm up, stepping forward with Bong Sao. Lop Sao side palm to attack. Defend the spinning back fist, Pak Sao Gan Sao. Lap Sao Punch to the back of the head. Pak Sao, palm strike the side of the face.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered. And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.